Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install backup camera and navigation for a BMW 328 Xi E90. That's the camera that we use, replacing trunk handle mount camera. So the car didn't come with any screen and didn't come with the iDrive knob, so we add the iDrive knob, and that's a 10.25-inch screen. The unit comes with the ID6 menu, as you can see, and by going to reverse it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. It comes with offline maps. That's the offline map. It comes with Bluetooth music streaming, and also it comes with USB multimedia.
The whole world was wrong about you. They're coming for you.
I'm not the one that needs to watch their back.
It reads some information from OBD of the car. That's the offline map.
You just started a war.
That's the RPM speed of the car, and also it shows how much gas left and the temperature outside. That's the USB music. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online directly from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.